Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Deshmukh, founder of Smilex, practicing dental implant for last 30 years. In this video, you will come to know more about things you should check before deciding to go for dental implants. You have problem, you have missing teeth, and now you decided that you want a fixed replacement of the lost teeth, right? And you are confused now, and you are looking which doctor to go, which center to go. So this video is important to you. So in this video, I will tell you some things you must check before you fix the appointment for implant surgery. So most important, this is a lifetime decision because implants do work for decade, 2 decades or more. So definitely it is a very important decision. Don't be tempted to take a quick decision. Please thoroughly check the profiles and the centers and the credibility and then go. So possibly this video will help you in taking the decision. So number one, most important is the qualification of the doctor you are chosen. Whether the doctor is BDS, whether the doctor is MDS, how many fellowships patient the doctor has achieved. Very important. What is his background? How much strong he is in academics? Is he lecturing in conferences? Is he training doctors? Right? And this is very important. Doctor's qualification is an essential thing to validate your first decision to go for dental implant. Second, most important is the experience of the surgeon. Right? Implant is a surgical modality which needs to go for restoration. Right? So it is very important that you decide to go for the dentist or the implant surgeon who is experienced. So minimum not less than 10 years I would definitely recommend. But if your case is critical, if the case is difficult and you are having huge problem, please always select an implant surgeon who is very experienced because he's used to managing critical cases. He has handled critical cases years together, so that will make a chance that you will have a high success rate. So experience is very important and don't just overlook on this aspect because you got only one chance. Dental implants cannot be repeated one after another. You got one chance. You need a very precision procedure into dental implantology. Then how many number of implants you are going to decide, that will also be the very important. If you have chosen a small center who are not doing that number of implant, possibly they will have issues placing the implant, they will have issues planning your prosthetic, they will have issues restoration and all that. So you just see the number of implant that center is doing, that surgeon is doing, that restorative team doing, then that will be the very important. Next, you check for the brands they are telling to go for. It's very important that you be a chooser of good brands, right? Like you wear very important brands outside your body, you will go for nice clothing, top quality brands you use, top quality jewelry you use, best of the brands of shoes you were wearing. So don't compromise here. Choose a good brand which has been in use for decades together on the planet. Don't go for something which has come just last year. So thousands and lakhs of patients have undergone the implant surgery of that brand, so that brand has evolved. It's very important. This is a surgical modality, that is why it is very important. So the brand is very important because they put a lot of money in R&D, so you will get a top quality. So don't compromise on the brand because the brands will make the implants work for longer period in your mouth. Then check that whether that center has 3D CBCT. This is very essential today. That center must have a facility of 3-dimensional CBCT, so that before surgery, sometimes intraoperative, it's a critical case, we do intraoperative CBCT scan, and which has in-house facility at Smilex, and also post-operative. So you are going to require CBCT, you are going to require OPG. So this imaging, whether it is available in that center, very important. Now whether that center has digital protocol in taking the digital impression. So today we take all digital impressions. So that will also be very important to choose the center where these facilities are available. And then the sterilization protocol. My dear friends, please don't go anywhere and get an infection, right? So choose a center which got 5 level of sterilization, stringent sterilization, and that will give you more accurate rate. Then the last and the most important thing, you must see the reviews, Google reviews, right? So you choose wisely how many Google reviews are there, what type of Google reviews are there, and that is going to give you a guarantee that you are going to get successful. Additionally, you also see if there are patients coming from all over globe to that center for dental implant. Like Smilex, we have treated patient for last 25 countries. So if the patient from multinational countries are coming to Smilex, definitely we are delivering something international standard, right? So these are all important aspects when you take a decision to go for dental implant. Dental implant don't compromise. It's a long-term prognosis has to be there. It is not a short-term activity. So think wisely, take a lot of decision. It's an elective surgery. It's not an emergency surgery. So think wisely, plan it well, go for a center which is established, and this is going to give you a long-lasting results. So dental implants, go for the best center and think wisely, choose wisely, and go for the best. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching Smilex.